everyone, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So I am back at you again with another DIY project, and this one is going to be a wedding sign. Now we're going to be making an acrylic wedding sign, and I have an acrylic sign here that I purchased from a thrift store, and this was actually an acrylic sign display from Kohl's, and I looked on the bottom and I saw that it was from Kohl's. So this was at the thrift store, and I believe I paid like $2 for it. So this was definitely an amazing find. I believe this sign is about 22 inches by 18, something like that. I got a bunch of these, and this was definitely like a total steal. So what I want to do is convert this into a wedding sign, and I'm going to be doing one of the popular ones that is out right now, which is the brush strokes on the back and then the lettering on the front. And that will give you the acrylic look, but you'll actually be able to see the lettering, because the acrylic is great, but when you're trying to do a sign, yes, sometimes it can make the lettering hard to see. So I have seen that trend, and I'm going to insert a inspiration picture now. Okay guys, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using some matte acrylic paint, and I got white. I just decided to keep it simple, so I got white. And this paint, I believe, is from Walmart, and it's very inexpensive. So we're going to use some of this, and you want to shake this up really, really well. And this is in their art section. So I've gone ahead and put some of the paint in a plastic Tupperware bowl. And what we're going to do is use this looks to me to be about I would say maybe a 2.5 inch, close to, yeah, about a 2.5 inch brush. And I believe I got this from Walmart or something. So just use a thick enough brush where you'll be able to really see your brush strokes in there. So I am now getting the paint onto the brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and make some sweeping motions on here. Okay everyone, so I am back. Now our sign has dried. It's all painted up. It looks awesome. It looks amazing. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add our vinyl lettering onto this. Now you are going to need a cutting machine. If you don't have a cutting machine, then you can order custom vinyl lettering from Aliexpress, and I will leave the link in the description bar below, just in case you're not a crafter and you have no intentions on buying a cutting machine, because you're not going to be using one, but you want to make a sign like this. You can do a one-time custom lettering for your wedding, especially if you're a DIY bride, and you can get that stuff off of AliExpress pretty cheap. Okay, but I'm a crafter. I've got a cutting machine. So for those crafters out there, I use the Cricut removable matte vinyl, and this is in silver. I got this from Walmart. It was $5. Okay, and so this is what I'm going to be using for the lettering. If you want the SVG file for the lettering, just let me know in the comment section below, and I will give it to you. Okay, so this is the type of lettering that we're going to be using. It's not in order, but it just says welcome to our wedding, and this is what I'm going to transfer onto our acrylic sign. I have already weeded this, and so it's ready to go, and I've got it on my transfer paper. Okay, so I can do my reverse transfer. It's already on the transfer paper. It's ready to go. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this sign towards me. Okay, it won't be facing you guys. Maybe what I'll do is I'll switch my camera position so you can see it, because I have to have the sign towards me to make sure that I put it on here straight. Alright guys, that looks pretty straight to me. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Cricut burnisher. And I think you can call this a scraper as well. But I'm going to use this to really press the vinyl down onto the acrylic sign so that it will stick and I can remove the transfer paper. Okay guys, and there we have it. Looks awesome, looks beautiful. I love it. I really like the font. I think it is in the trend that they have right now. I wish I could have made it larger, but I did not have the 12 by 24 matte. I only have the 12 by 12 matte. So, but if I had the 24, it would have been a lot larger. But this is what we have. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little embellishment to it. Okay guys, so our sign is done. I went ahead and added some orchids on the side to kind of simulate the one that I inserted as an inspiration picture. I think this is great. This is a wonderful tabletop acrylic sign that you can use at any wedding. It looks awesome. I'm really glad how everything turned out. And I basically attached the orchids with transparent tape and double-sided tape that I got from the Dollar Tree. The double-sided foam tape, okay? Very easy to attach it to the acrylic sign. So that is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, don't forget to rate and subscribe and to follow me on my social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram. That's it. Have a wonderful evening guys, and I will see you in the next DIY video. Take care. Bye bye.